So Corey and I are being goofballs today. I'm being a real goofball, driving in this to go ride that, and I don't have studded tires. Sorry if I got boogies in my nose. I'm getting over a sickness. The roads aren't that bad actually, and I got 4-wheel drive. I'm not worried about it, but I am worried about riding my dirt bike in snow without studded tires. I'm gonna give her hell and just see what happens, I guess. Take her easy getting to Corey's house. The roads look like this now. They switch, but they're salted, so I got traction. So we'll see. I'll catch up with you. I smell a little bit of fuel.
Yeah, it might be too high.
I made it to Corey's house. Snowing. Got the bike in the garage. Corey's trying to start his Mustang. Yeah.
I'm 190. I'm gonna bag it down to like might be way too much for it.
It's snowing nice today, dude. Caleb's coming.
I know.
Did not expect Caleb to be coming.
The fuck?
You have a pen for your car?
Yeah, that's how I tune it. There we go.
Get the snow melted off. Oh yeah. Corey has a bunch of videos on his YouTube. If you want to check out anything about this car, I'm sure he is. Shit and more shit and shit. Corince. Fucking snowing out. I can't even hear it. This is insane. Oh.
Well, smell it.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, 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 oh my god! Oh my god.
Oh my God. Can't feel my hands. This is really hard. I got no studs. I'm just running an AT82 rear, and the front's just a stock. I think it's an MX-33. I'm fine. My fingertips are so cold. Well, as you can see, riding my dirt bike wasn't working out too well. Corey thankfully is letting us ride his quads. Me and Caleb are both on his quads. Caleb's on a 750 or a 600. I am on a, he's on a 650. I'm on an 800. Ready? This is so cool. Go ahead, I'll follow behind you. Corey.
Where's the next one?
He's slid down. I'm sliding too. Tell you what, wearing a Fox, this Fox, I think it's an Instinct helmet. I forget what exactly, but it's like, you know, very breathable. Wintertime wearing it, it sucks. I'm cold, man. I never did this on a quad dirt bike. You can just come flying through this in the center. The quad, you really gotta fucking watch your line. Ooh, like that. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah! Vector! Woo! Yeah.